Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace battery in 2011 Nissan Rogue. This is gonna apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2008 and all the way up to 2021. The only tool I'm gonna be using to do that job is a ratchet and 10mm deep socket. And now, as you can see, once when you open the hood, your Nissan Rogue battery will be located on your driver's side, and it's right here. And I'm gonna start by removing negative cable. Once when the cable is loose, you can just lift it up and remove it. Make sure you put it on the side so it doesn't touch the negative pole of the battery. After that, I'm gonna switch to the positive cable of the battery. Once when the nut is loose, you can also just wiggle it up and remove it. You also want to make sure you put it on the side or just cover it like that so it doesn't touch positive terminal of the battery. And now it's time to remove battery holder. So you only need to remove one side. And just pull out the other side. And now you can pull out the old battery. The old battery is out and I'm gonna install a new battery. I fitted brand new battery in the battery tray. And first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install battery holder back on the battery. Once when the battery holder is properly placed on the battery, you wanna tighten it down. And now I'm gonna install positive cable to positive terminal of the battery first. And after that I'm gonna install negative cable to negative terminal of the battery. And now I'm gonna tie down those nuts. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.